Hi everyone, that's Itamar and welcome to Electronic Stuff. So this is a tutorial on how to control a DC motor with a thermistor. Okay, we're gonna control a DC a 12 volts, okay, DC fan using thermistor. Okay guys, a 10 kilo ohm thermistor and a MOSFET. Okay guys, that's the IRFZ 44N MOSFET. Okay guys, so in a MOSFET, the voltage determines the conductivity, okay, of the device. Okay guys, the MOSFET is used for switching or amplifying signals. Okay, MOSFET is by far the most common transistor in digital circuits. Okay, as hundreds of thousands or millions of them may be included in a memory chip, okay, or microprocessor. Okay guys, so it is very useful MOSFET. Okay guys, very useful. So we also need a 2.2 kilo ohm resistor, okay, that guy right here, and a breadboard. Okay, so the MOSFET is connected with a heatsink, okay, because we need to cool it. Okay guys, okay, now I'm going to go ahead and connect my MOSFET here. Okay guys, okay, okay guys, like so. Okay, we needed to wire it, okay, to wire it. So for that I'm going to pick, okay, the resistor. Okay, so this MOSFET has 3 pins. Okay, the first one is gate, drain. Okay, the drain is the second pin, and the source the third pin. Okay guys, now from gate to source I've got my resistor. Okay, like that. Okay guys, like that. Right then, now I'm picking my thermistor, okay, and one of its legs is going to pin to gate pin. Okay, gate pin, which is connected with this resistor. Okay, so one of the pins of my thermistor is going to gate. Okay, okay guys, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now. The black cable from my DC motor must be going to pin to gate pin, no, not gate pin, drain pin, I mean drain pin here. Okay, like that. Now in the red cable to with my thermistor, okay, thermistor. Okay, like that. Okay guys, it's done now. The power supply is 12 volts, okay guys, because that's a 12 volt DC fan. Okay, so here is our power supply, the VCC. Okay, we put that here, in here, and the negative side of the power supply is going to source. Okay, source, I think is here. Okay guys, like that. Okay, so now we can test our project. Okay guys, now if I hit my thermistor, the DC fan, okay, is going to be on. Okay, it's going to turn on. Okay guys, it's going to rotate. Okay, so if I hit, okay, like that, so it's working. If I stop hitting it, okay, the DC motor stops rotating. If I hit it again, hit, okay, if I hit again, hit. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. Bye.